Hellcat.
Back to another video of NBA Live Mobile. So today I just did one of the sets for March Madness Final Four, and I pulled a 94 Danny Manning, which I already had in my lineup, but with the amount of coins I had, which I'm pretty sure I showed in the first video, I bought a 97 Bob Pettit, or 96, but the boost is a 97. Pretty good stats apart from shooting. Obviously in the paint and dunking is very good. Should I update my team? So what I'm planning on doing today is just go do that. I don't know really what I'm gonna do today. But I have no stamina. But check what's in the store. I think Golden Ticket Anthony Davis is still in. Bunch of good stuff's in. You got the legends over here. 101 overall, point guard Dave Bing. 10% chance at that. And you obviously have the guaranteed. Take a quick, just quickly check our league. And we are up. So we are up by 9 points. And looking pretty good. Let's just check. 19 points, 20 points, 21, 11, 21, 6, 14, 7. No, LeBron didn't play. 11 and 17. Might as well just do a season game in a little bit. Now the monthly master Robert Horry is very, very good. Has a clutch ability, pretty good player, 102 overall. So just in case, let's see if any updates on my team, just the power forward position. Now I'm trying to get the 99 Rip Hamilton for one of the, from the Final Four pack. So what I'm going to be doing is doing the defensive, because I've done every other one. Balance is done, shooting is done, and the, I don't even know what this one's called. The street lineup is all done and complete. So I need 5. So if I do, that's 3. Yep, I have basically 5. I have 5 left in all, so I will be back shortly when I complete all these, and I'll see you soon. Guys, we are back, and so we got our final elite bracket tokens. I mean, our gold tokens, and we're gonna go for that. Hopefully 99 overall. Whoops. Now I've done this 8 times. So, I mean, hopefully we get this 99 small forward Rip Hamilton. I'm going to close my eyes and open the pack. And it was a Michael Kidd-Gilchrist again. Now we've completed this 9 times. 6 days still left. How much for the campaign itself? 2 days. 2 days. 9 times, maybe on the 10th time, we'll possibly get it. It would have been nice to pull it. Can't always get it, but still have another shot at least. Maybe two. Looking pretty good though. Now, this was very time consuming. I still have to do the final four. But twice in a row, it's been like, it was like a tie game. And then I shot, made it, and then they came back into three. Because it's Shelvin Mack has I'm pretty sure like a 92-3, 99 mid-range something. I'll actually check. I think I actually have the card. I'm going to quick sold it. I'm actually going to, I have a Danny Manning right here. So someone in the auction house, he goes for around 90K. 94 overall. So I'm going to sell him for 90K. And the starting bid price, I'm going to go 85K. So if that sells, I want to see what we could get for 110,000. We'll do above maybe 93. So that Danny Manning's one for 87,000. Mike Conley, not a bad card at all. 94 Caron Butler. Not much I could really use. Like, I'm probably going to save coins after this event is over. Just because, like, look how much this Hamilton is going for. He's going for 466,000. And his stats are incredible. 99 mid-range. And I'm pretty sure some of his stats get boosted with the coaches. So that's why I'm trying to pull him, because I'm pretty sure his 3 goes up to like a 99, 100. Very, very good card. Like, compared to this Rip Hamilton, pretty bad. I mean, his mid-range 82 is not the worst. He doesn't have one stat over a 90, which is concerning for the fact that he was a good player and he's an 83 overall. But the 99 obviously is going to be way better. Now, I'm wondering, like, what the 98s are going for. They're going more expensive. Like the Shaq is going for $1 million, 1.5 mil. Boyan. Now, this is the power forward that I was looking at once, but I was going to get it, and then I was like, eh. And I was like, no. So I just kept updating my Robert Horry because that came out at the time. Obviously, Dennis Smith's very good. Stats are great. Dunking is a 99. I have the high flyer version, which is pretty good. Pretty solid. But you got Tony Kukoc. Point guard Jamal Crawford. Pretty nice. Oh, so this is one of the coolest players you could have gotten. 99 point guard Marcus Smart. This is the one I was really hoping I would get. Such a good card. One of my favorite players, if not my favorite player in the NBA. So I think that's going to wrap up the video. if anything, if I pull that Hamilton, Rip Hamilton, small forward, 99 overall, I'll be back. But I'll see you guys in the next video.